When you receive this instrument, you need to take off the saw button, and you can through the screen press and hold this open button. He will open the cover, and you can take off the button, and then you can see this. There I have the black wire and two black wire, and the black wire connect this point. This is used to connect the saw water, and the black wire, two black wires connect these 2 points. These 2 points, no digression, connect any way is okay. And this big black pipe, these two black two is used to exhaust the saw air and connect this point. And other accessories, this orange pipe is used to connect the air source pipe. This, so it is connect air source, and you can see the marks, and this one open, you can connect the purified water, and this one connect the tap water, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points are all the drain water. You can connect the drain pipe. This one is the manual add water. Generally, don't need to add water in this pond. And then this one is pressure gauge, and this one is the pressure regulatory valve. So generally adjust the pressure to 1. And then this is the peristaltic pump. This is the dry plate. Generally don't need to set. Then when you need to start the machine, open this cover and turn off the valve, and then you can press the power button to start the machine. Then the control panel, you can see this. And then the control panel, you can see this is the over temperature protection. Generally, the temperature to set 18 degrees centigrade. You can through this to choose the number, and then this increase and decrease, and then press the set. Okay, then this instrument have 2 modes to test the sample, and once we can press this button, and then you can see 2 modes. 1 is fixed set, 2 is the program set. Fixed set is first, we introduce the fixed set. Press this button, And then you can see, you can set the time, temperature, humidity, and the place is the salt. And press this place. Can set the time is infinity and or set you want. And set the temperature or set the humidity and the place. And then return. And you want to start the machine, press this right. Run. This you start. It will start. And this is the fish bowl. We stop. And second, we introduce the packle set. Set. And you can set add the program 1, 2, 3, 4. Press this 1. And then press this segment number. And you can set the mode. It has 3 mode: high temperature, humidity, or salt or dry. When you set the high temperature and humidity, you cannot set the place. You can set temperature, humidity, but the place is not. And spread is not, because it's not the salt test, it's the high temperature and high humidity. And set the time. Generally, this TS1 and TS2 don't need to set. It's the interval time to start the machine. And set the salt. You can set according your requirements. Salt. Choose the salt, and you can set the place. And the spring off or on. Press the on. And then OK, it will spread. And you can set dry. Set the dry, and you can set the place and spread. Okay, the program mode is set is finished. Okay, you can, and other setting is no need to set. When you have the quality problem or other problems, you can contact us. And the last one is this calculators. You can open the cover and use this as accessories. Is this measuring glass to gather the salt. Like this. Press the measuring glass to gather the salt.